Before we start the video guys, kindly subscribe to my channel Jerry's TV and share this video guys. Thank you so much. For today's video guys is we're gonna go to airport, NAIA International Airport. We're gonna go early in the morning, almost 4 a.m. We ride on a jeepney and then we go to the nearest terminal going to this one, Buendia. Yes, and Buendia, after the Buendia is going to NAIA International Airport Terminal 1. This is the Terminal 1 and we're going via Grab taxi. Almost 145 pesos going from Buendia to International Airport Terminal 1. After that, we're gonna go to the entrance and then prepare our documents before we go to inside. Our boarding pass, ticket, and also our documents. It's very easy guys to go here and then check in our baggage. And then we go to the nearest airline check-in baggage. After that, we're gonna go to the immigration.
Flight 52.
Yes, to the immigration center. Let's go.
Immigration, let's go.
After that, after the immigration center, after we move it, there's a lot of places to visit guys. Also the OFW lounge. It's located at after the immigration to the 3rd floor. There's a ladder go inside and this is the OFW lounge. This lounge is exclusively for OFW going out of the country. It's all free here. You can rest, you can charge, you can eat. There's a food available there, a soup and also coffee. You can read magazines and anything inside of the lounge. It's free guys. You can go here and relax. Before your flight starts, you can charge your cell phone and you can also monitor your boarding. And then if you forgot, where someone call you before your boarding is already near, and you can also get here some fresh drinks like milk, juice, and all kind of stuff. And there you can see charging station. It's very nice view. You can see the runway here from the airport. You can see almost 360 degrees. It's over the top. It's good. It's very nice view guys. Come and visit guys in the OFW lounge guys. It's free guys. There's no pay. It's all free, paid by the government guys. So come visit guys. This effort of the government guys is for the thank you message by the government to us, to our Filipino heroes, OFW heroes of our country, the modern heroes of our country guys. So visit guys, it's free for all the OFW. We're gonna try the freedom board guys and let's go. You can write anything you want. You can put a picture, I'll leave a note, and then anything you want, put in there. I read there shukran meaning Arabic word is thank you, and salamat is Tagalog, same as thank you in English. And I put it with my picture so that anyone can see it and maybe they can subscribe to my channel Jerry's TV Bakanaman. Thank you so much government for this bonus or reward to the OFW. We appreciated government for your little effort to us. Thank you so much. Hope you can build more in other terminal or other airports all over the Philippines. Thank you so much government for this effort.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Guys, kita diri guys ang paglanding ay ang take off. Ay masakyan na mo niya guys pa Dubai. Fly Emirates Boeing 737. Oh, ano pa na siya guys, maggarahe para. Karno pa niya. Tara mo niya sakyan ng Philippine Airlines. Ito tiri guys, makita din maglanding guys. Kasi may guys, Lugaw.
And I also checked the CR of NAIA International Airport. It's good, it's clean, it's nice. Good job, NAIA. 3 star. You can also check there's a lot of store you can visit after the immigration before your boarding gate or boarding time. You can also check a lot of amenities here before you go to other country. You can visit and you can buy something in this place. There's a lot of products to choose from. Enjoy the show guys. Let's go. Snack bar pasalubong. Philippines, New York. Duty Free Philippines, Chocolate Village, Duty Free, Food Market. Tubig.
Guys, naigamay na aeroplano guys. Napoy medyo dako-dako guys. O napoy mas dako-dako pa na guys. Tara guys. O napoy mas dako.
Ano pinakadako ng Philippine Airlines na pusakyan?
Sa Philippine Airlines nga ano na model. O napoy mas dako sa Philippine Airlines. Tara guys, so tulo sila guys.
Hindi ba sa Philippine Airlines lang?
Wala sila guys, tulo guys. Nauna na tong gamay, napadapsi ng gamay guys. Kay di siya mauna. Una sa daw ng isaw.
Wala to ng China.
China is number 1 sa daw. Ayan guys, may lalanding guys. Ayun. May kagamay guys, Philippine Airlines. Oh, landing na siya guys. Dumating na ang mga OFW.
Local flight ko na.
Galing sa Cebu. Safe flight, safe travel.
Diba? Hello ma'am. Thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Hope this video helped you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.